Come on, bro. What you saying, man? I love the colour, though. You've been watching the videos?
No, I haven't seen it. I have, bro.
I gave you the channel bare times.
Not to me, bro. Not to me. Someone else.
Go on, go.
So many nights I pray for
Oh,
this.
you're sick, man. You were scrolling it, bro.
My dreams coming true cause I'm chasing it. Success around the corner, I'm tasting it. But this is all I know. I swear it feels like home. I watch my dreams unfold, but my story is still untold. So many nights I prayed for this. Thank God I was made for this. My dreams coming true cause I'm chasing it. Success around the corner, I'm tasting it. But this is all I know. I swear it feels like home. I watch my dreams unfold, but my story is still untold. All I ever was chasing.
Salute to the boys because they showed love, man. Always. Love boys. Yo, what's going on, people? Welcome back to Ace Nation, and we are outside today again, guys. Today's gonna be it's a madness. There's a lot of clubs and it's a shutdown. We're here. We are at Beaconsfield Services. I didn't have time. I was rushing, but please, guys, make sure you share, like, and subscribe to your boy. Show love, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. What you saying, my boy? Lead 10 is out today. What's good? You alright?
All good, man.
Where's the boys at today? Just by yourself? Yeah. Alright, guys, we are here. Ace Nation's active, guys. Got loads of cars. Today, like I said, there's a lot of clubs. I think the list was like 20 clubs, so it's a madness, man. We've got loads of cars here. A couple BMWs, actually. These are nice BMWs. What do you lot think? Silver one. Got the red. Oh, the red one's nice. Got the spoiler. Pretty sick, man. Yeah, this is nice, guys. Look at that. What do you lot think?
It's like a motherfucking spaceship, man. You got the
Is he doing his thing? I think he's doing his thing, boys. Pretty sick, man. Alright, we've got the BMW with the neon lights, changing different type of colors of lights. He's doing his thing, man. These lot, they're always outside. You gotta salute to this guy because he's always out here with his kid as well. So, how you guys doing? Huh? Sorry?
We're hosting.
You host? Oh yeah. Are you part of the?
No, I am Street Shots.
Are you street?
Yeah,
Is
I
it
am.
you? Oh shit. Okay. Big up to Street Shots, man. He's the man. Oh, we got classics. We got the Hondas out today as well. They're doing their thing too. So, salute to them. Oh, this is pretty clean. Come in. Look at that. Get a closer look. Yeah, man, that's clean, guys. Come on, guys, we got the Sirocco R today as well. He's outside. What's he saying? Stock power?
It's got induction kit on it and a D-cut straight through at the moment.
Okay.
Other than that's when to get a map, really.
All right. Alright, go on, yeah. Got more cars rolling in. Yeah, start it up. Let's check this baby out. I see you, my boy. Lovely, man. Inside for you lot. DSG. Got a... Is that a... That's the actual steering wheel.
That's the standard. Just
Yeah. Got me a bit. Yeah.
Aftermarket Android stereo and that.
Yeah, salute to you, my boy, man. Do you want to give them an Insta?
Yeah, go on,
give them an Insta.
It's Smithy's Rocco. Smithy's.Rocco.
Follow this guy, man. Show love, man. Come on, guys. We have the Americans today. Something different, man. Something different, bro. What do you guys think, man? Is he doing his thing? Yeah. Wow, guys. Look at this MR2. Wow. That is fresh.
I see you shining, nigga.
That is clean, isn't it?
Thing is so fucking clean, bro.
Wow.
I got it mounted on outside.
That's one of the cleanest one I've seen, bro. Lovely, my guy. What do you lot think, man? This is sick. Big up to this guy, because this is clean as fuck. Bro, can we inside as well?
Yeah.
Salute to this guy. This shit is clean, man. Taking good care of her. Got the leather seats. What sort of power?
About 400.
400, yeah? It's lovely, man. They're going up, right? Come on.
I just like over, what was it, 2008? How many years is that? 13 years?
Yeah. Dripping, bro. Even the jacket, bro. Let's get it. Just. Hey, yo, guys. Look at this BMW. Look at the color on this, though. This is sick. What do you lot think? This is different. This is the Bang Bang. Yeah, this is nice. Whoa, this guy can drive though. He can drive. He's a driver. What do you lot think, man? Look at the space. He's still spinning it. Oh, that's a CLA 45S. Okay, I see you, my boy. And this guy's always out of line. Let's go speak to him, actually. What you saying? What you saying, my boy? You're out here again, yeah? Come on, bro. What you saying, man? I love the color, though. You been watching the videos?
No, I haven't seen it.
I gave you the channel bedtime.
Not to me, bro. Not to me, to someone else. The other guy.
Go on. What you saying, though, man? I'll give it to you now. Here, bro. Check it out, please. You're on my channel like 6-7 videos, bro. Yeah. Salute to these boys. Okay, the P's all in the building. Come on. I guess petrol. It's not petrol. But he's doing his thing, man. Oh, shit. Nice one, bro. Alright, we got cars rolling now, I think, to the next location. So, let's get
I
it.
said I had to get it on my own. I said I had to get it on my own, so I'ma let you feel it through this microphone. I'm not that nigga you be shitting on. That's why all my life I had to get it on. I think it's time a nigga prove him wrong. As long as I'm here.
Oh, that's my boy. Alright, come on, shout out to the boys, man. Love.
It's all eyes on me.
Alright, you lot, everybody's leaving. Show love, guys. Oh, we got a Fiesta with the blue lights. Alright. We got the Golfs out as well. Golf R. Yes, my boy. That's loud. Even the estate's out. Let's get it. Let's go check on this guy, man. He might need some help. Yo, bro. You good? Yeah? Love my brother. I appreciate you, man. We got the big boys, man. Come on, man. Shout out to this guy. Yes, boys. You alright? Come on, guys. Look at this lime green. I think RSQ3. RSQ3. Yeah, RSQ3, man. He's doing his thing. This is sick, guys. This is nice. It's a madness, man, today. And obviously, we got the guy. This guy is just unloading his shit, so he's a sick guy as well, man. Salute to the truck driver.
Had to get it from my lonely. Now these bad bitches on me. Never switch on my shawty, cause you always there for me. I just focus on this money. I be right there when they call me. Always off for my brodies. I think it's time that we OD. People out there, they know me, but they don't really know me. They just don't own me. My chain costs about 40. I've been blowing up OD. I'm a war bluffing, they ain't really about nothing. I gotta keep it 100, they love to see me up in public. Everything about me they loving, it's fake love, I gotta dub it. They're stacking up police, I'm going off for they show me. They killing us and that's OD, they about to bring back the old me. I gotta kill it regardless, I'm not a regular artist. I just be going the hardest, like I'm related to Cardi. I've been on the road, just doing what I gotta do. Plus my goals and dreams, I treat it like a hot pursuit. Grinding every day.
He's got some power, though. He's got power. What you got? What's the power underneath there?
What's the power?
The way you're throwing that, you got power, man.
Big power.
Bro, this shit is going like an American car. I salute to this guy, man. Come on, man.
Oh, you won't do it.
Okay, I think girls jumped in his car and she's trying to, you know, see what she's got. This is a madness, guys, man. This is crazy, bro. If you're watching this, make sure you share, like, and subscribe, man. Show love to your boy, man. We outside. I've got the lady, man. Let's see what this lady can do, man. Alright, he's coming in now. Let's see what he's got, bro. Let's get it. Lexus, yo. Never, bro. But yeah, Skyline just pulled up. And look at the attention, though. Skyline all the way. Sorry, guys.
Let's go.
That's a fat turbo. Yeah, that's big power, man. That's probably making like 800, probably. Look at all the carbon. This is sick, man. What do you lot think? It's clean. Alright, guys, this is the beast that was throwing it crazy, man. He's just gonna pop the hood for us, and we're gonna see what he's got, man. Okay. What's the power? Not accurate. Alright, cool. What's it like? 5, 6 plus? Oh shit. Hey, yo, man, this is a beast for real. This is sick. Even you did well, man. You was in the range going crazy as well earlier. I saw you. Mad though. Sick. Sorry? What's the horsepower, bro, on this again?
This one, it's only on 550 on wastegate.
But that's low boost.
Yeah, that's
high boost. What's high boost?
About 750.
Wow. Alright, my boy. This is a dangerous car, guys. It's a machine, bro.